Today we're reviewing the Hankook Dynapro HP2 RA33, a versatile all-season tire designed for SUVs, crossovers, and light trucks that need confident performance, comfort, and durability in a wide range of road and weather conditions. This tire features an asymmetrical tread pattern with optimized shoulder blocks and deep grooves that improve water evacuation, enhance traction on wet and dry surfaces, and help reduce the risk of aquaplaning. The advanced rubber compound is engineered to provide a strong balance between grip, wear resistance, and rolling efficiency, giving drivers dependable traction whether cruising on highways or navigating city streets. Owners regularly praise the Dynapro HP2 RA33 for its smooth and quiet ride, stable handling, and predictable braking performance. Many drivers note that the tire feels confident in everyday driving, from long highway journeys to stop-and-go urban traffic, and that it maintains good grip in light rain or cool conditions. Feedback also often highlights the tire's long tread life and even wear patterns, making it a solid choice for drivers who cover high mileage. Here's a useful insight. The internal construction of the Dynapro HP2 RA33 includes reinforced sidewalls that help absorb road shocks and improve stability when carrying heavier loads or towing. This structural strength not only contributes to a more comfortable ride, but also enhances steering response and overall tire resilience, giving drivers added confidence on a variety of surfaces. In summary, the Hankook Dynapro HP2 RA33 is a well-rounded all-season tire that delivers balanced performance, reliable traction, and lasting durability for SUVs and light trucks. If you've used these tires on your vehicle, drop a comment below and share your experience.